Jeremy, well, I'm gonna fill this 1 cup measuring cup up. Probably ain't the orthodox way, but I ain't got a water bottle handy. I don't think. Unless I can find it anyway. So there's 8 ounces and 8 ounces. Like 16. Let's carry this over here to the vessel in my dirty backyard here. Let's see. Alright. So there's that. Gonna be using a grill to heat these bad boys up. Hopefully this is enough. Oh, it's not looking promising right now. I don't think they're hot enough. Maybe. Put a big one on there, see what happens. Oh, wow. Maybe that wasn't a rock. It busted on me. I don't know if you call that boiling. Kind of boiling, sort of.